Hello everyone, it's Paul again. Nice to see you. My wife's in the background in the kitchen, so she's eating breakfast. So, I have something I very rarely do. This is another unboxing, and I'll tell you what this unboxing is about. It has to do with my bike and my Burley Travoy, especially the Burley Travoy trailer. So let's get down to it. The box is right in front of us, right down there. Okay, let's open this up. Before I open it up, I do want to tell you that I bought this from a company called Bike In. And I will put their link. They sell everything for bikes and for bike related things and outdoor things. And I'll put their link right down there in the comments, okay? All right, so I cut that over here. And let's open it up, okay? I'm not that good at, I don't really like doing unboxings. I'm not that good at it. So this is kind of rare. Now, I know this is important stuff, but the item that I bought is soft and it's not going to break. So I don't think this much plastic is necessary, but that's, they're packaging it very well. Just a little bit too much plastic. That's okay. Now, what is this? This is, let me take the plastic off, okay? Let's do that real fast. Okay, this is a Burley Travoy market bag. And it's the lower bag. And this attaches to the Burley Travoy. And in just a little bit, I'm going to show you how it attaches. But this is the bag that you put at the bottom, and it can carry up to, I think, 40 pounds. I'll put how many kilos right here. And look, so here we have, what is this? Oh, I know it goes inside. Huh, interesting. I don't know what this is. You know what, guys, does anyone know what this is? I don't know what this is. It's like cardboard. It's kind of stiff. It's kind of stiff, and it has Velcro. I'll figure what this is all about. Maybe it's the top. I'm not sure. So let me put this off to the side. And let's show you the bag real fast. So it has a front pocket here, and it's, of course it says Burley, and yeah, Travoy. This is the Travoy bag series. And what else does it have? Now, notice this: the sides are clear for a certain, about 50%. The sides are, so you can see my hand in there. Both sides the same way, like this. Okay, so you can see inside. The other part is covered. This is not a pocket. Okay, it's not a pocket. This is not a pocket, or this is not a pocket. We have a tightening here, so we can tighten up the top. So when, you know, if I have a whole bunch of stuff in here, if I have a whole bunch, look at you see how deep it is? This is a nice size bag, actually. Yeah. So yeah, this is a nice size bag. But if I have a lot of stuff in there, I can cinch this up and make it tighter at the top. That's what that tightening thing is for. And here's another one on the other side, okay? It's just a tightening buckle thing. And these are both handles that are adjustable, the length of them. So if you want to, you know, do it with your hand, or if you want to do it with your shoulder, you know, put it on your shoulder, these are adjustable. Very nice. They thought of a lot of things. So what did I say? There's a pocket here in the front. Oh, well, let me show you something else. If you'd like to put a clip-on light here, there's a little strap here for a clip-on light. That's in the front. So we have this and this pocket in the front. It does not have Velcro in it. It's just a pocket. Now, here's another pocket in the back inside, and it does have Velcro, so you can put your wallet or whatever. So they've thought a lot of things through this way. What's at the bottom? I'm discovering this along with you guys. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have the bottom all folded out. Let me see if I can get that folded out. Oh, so it's not rounded. It's like really square. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, corner, pop out. There you go. So at the bottom, this is what it looks like when it's fully open. And that, I have to tell you, is a lot of space. It's an awful lot of space. Here's the front at the top here, and here's the back here. And I'm just looking at everything. I don't see any other pockets. Do you see any other pockets? I don't see any others. So, pocket here, pocket in the front, light clip. Otherwise, it's just a shoulder or a handbag that goes at the bottom of the Burley Travoy. So now, the next shot, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Travoy. Okay? Let's do that. So here we have the Travoy. There's the bag, the brand new bag. You see these knobs here on the Travoy. 1, 2, 3, right here. And then there's 4. And why are there 4? Because on the Travoy system, in the Travoy system, you have a market bag or a bag at the top that requires 4 of these. And I'll show you how it goes on. Watch this, guys. So if you see this here, you see there's a wide end here and a narrow end there. So you put the wide end here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. You put the wide end there, and then you pull, and it snaps. Did you hear that click? So that's how you do all of them. And I'm going to do that right now with the big bag because, like I said, there's one here, and there's one here, and of course there's one on that side, and one on that side. So we're gonna do that real fast, and let's put that on hyperlapse. So here we have it. The lower bag, and you see how there's a snap here, a clip here, and a clip here. And the same on the other side, here and here. It's not coming off, not even thinking of coming off. Let me back this up a little bit. Can we see that whole thing? You know, let me lower this down for a second. So here we have the whole bag. And it looks good. Now here's the, you know what, I'm going to, let's do this handheld. And I'll back this up a little bit. So here we have the upper bag. This is also an older style market bag, very old. I've had this on the channel before. And if you'd like to see some other videos about the Travoy, look up here to the right. You'll see an eye, or you'll see an actual link. So this is the upper market bag, and this is much, much older style. I think they have a brand new style it's really good, or a style that's been out for a few years. And then here's the lower one here. And let's look inside. Yeah, that's a lot of space. So just remember, it has a pocket here. It has a clip for a clip-on light, because when you're traveling with this trailer on the back of your bike, you know, you want to have a light here so people can see you at night, especially in the dark. So let's turn this around from the side view. That's what it looks like from the side. I don't have anything in there. You know what? Maybe I'll throw some pillows or something in there. Let's do that right now. Pillows. You know, the one thing that's bothered me just a little bit is that it's clear. I'm sure they did it for a reason. But what if I were carrying some top secret equipment? Then people can see through. You understand? I'm not a spy or anything. Anyway, that's just something silly I wanted to say. But yeah, so here's the Travoy. And also for the top bag, let's talk about that for a second. You see this big old strap here. That can also go on your shoulder, or there's a handle at the top that you can carry it like a bag too. So if you go shopping, you can just, just take this off, detach this, and then use it as a shopping bag. The same thing with the big bag. You can just carry it as a shopping bag if you're going shopping, grocery shopping, which we're going to do later on today. Maybe I'll show you what it looks like when doing something like that. So yeah, the Burley Travoy lower market bag unboxing and first thoughts. I kind of like it an awful lot, by the way. Why would I say kind of? I like it a lot. Okay? If you'd like to subscribe or hit the like button or hit the bell button, please, please, if you wish, you don't have to do it. More importantly, I think is to comment, because when you comment, it lets me know what you're thinking, what I can improve on, what I'm doing well, if I'm doing anything well. So that just gives me a lot more information when you comment, and I try to answer all the comments each week. It might take me 1 or 2 days, but I do each and every comment I answer and respond to. So I'm showing you what we just reviewed. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.